Hello students, this is the third video for integers, chapter number 1, class 7 NCERT. Here we are discussing additive identity. So additive identity is a number when it is added to any particular integer, then you will get an integer itself. So that additive identity for integers is 0. So we can take here as an example, let us take any integer of your choice, say minus 5. When minus 5 is added to 0, then you will get minus 5 itself. Let us take any other positive integer, say 7 or 67, then we are adding 0 to it, then we are getting 67 itself. So 0 here is an additive identity for all the integers. For all integers. It is an additive identity for all the integers. Now second thing is commutative property. Commutative property is basically when integer 1 is added to integer 2, the answer will be same as when integer 2 is added to integer number 1. For example, if we are taking two integers, first integer suppose a and second integer is b. So a and b will be equal to b plus a plus b will be equal to b plus a. Let us take an example. So we can take any two integers of your choice, say 3, and we can take one more integer, say minus 2. So these are the two integers we have taken. Now let us find out the value of a plus b. This is a and this is b. So a plus b here will be 3 plus minus 2, and value of 3 plus minus 2 is equal to, plus and minus will be minus, and 3 minus 2, that is 1. Answer is 1. Now we will take the value of b plus a. So b plus a here will be minus 2 plus 3. So b plus a here will be minus 2 plus 3. So we can see here one is positive and negative, other is negative. Definitely subtraction will happen and the sign of the positive number, the greater number will come, that is positive. So answer here will be plus 1. So you can see here in both the cases a plus b is equals to b plus a. That is 3 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 3. So this is true for case of all the integers. Now third is associative property. Associative property is quite similar. Here instead of two numbers we will take three numbers and we will write down in the form of a plus b plus c, and this form will be equal to a plus b. First of all we are adding a plus b and then we will add it with c. Let us take an example. We will take three integers of your choice. We can take any positive integer, negative integer. Say we are taking 7 and minus 6, and third we are taking is say 5 or minus 5, right? So now a plus b plus c will be, a is 7 plus b is minus 6 and c is plus minus 5, and we will write it in the form of a plus b and c. Then a is 7 and b is minus 6. So this will be 7 plus minus 6 plus c plus c. C is minus 5. So we can solve it here. First of all we will solve the bracket here. So plus and minus will be minus 6 minus 5, and 7 plus will remain as it is. Now minus 6 and minus 5, that is equal to minus 11, and bracket plus 7. Again then plus and minus will be minus. So that will be 7 minus 11, and the 7 minus 11 will be equal to minus 4. So on the left hand side we have got minus 4. Now let us solve it for right hand side as well. For right hand side we will solve this one as, first of all 7 plus minus will be minus. So 7 minus 6 in the bracket plus, then plus minus, this plus minus will become minus 5. 7 minus 6 is 1 and minus 5 is minus 5. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So you can clearly see here right hand side is equal to left hand side. So a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c for all integers. But that is, this property, commutative property and associative property, does not hold for subtraction. It holds only for addition. Associative property is applicable only in case of plus sign, a plus b plus c. That is not applicable in the case of a minus b minus c. Simply, commutative property is applicable in the case of a plus b is equal to b plus a. It is not applicable in the case of a minus b is equal to b minus a. So that's all. This is video 3. For other information, for the previous information, you can see video number 1 and 2.